through with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Windows 11 look and feel like Windows 7, so I can bring some nostalgia to people that use Windows 7 just like me and they want to just have the look, you know. And without further ado, let's go. For this purpose, you will require all of these files you see in my folder that I have created. And yeah, this is OpenShell, Start Orb, Start 11, WinError Tweaker, Windows 7 Sounds, Cursor Pack, and Wallpapers. And now let's start. First, you want to just create a restore point. Just open that and choose your drive and just click on configure, and you want to turn on system protection and just add some max usage, which I already have done. And now just click on create, and now I'm just going to name this thing take me back to Windows 11. Click on create. Now this thing is going to create a restore point for us. Let me kind of explain why I'm doing this. This is if something breaks while we do this, I can just always revert back to this state before doing this. And once this thing is created, just close everything. And now it's time for the fun thing. And now first we can install OpenShell to make the start menu here. Click on next. Just read all those license terms and click on accept, click on next, next, and install. Yes, I'm gonna finish. And now, here if I just open up, I can just type open shell menu settings, and now I'm going to change the start menu to the Windows 7 style, and now we'll go to skin. Then choose the arrow style, and you can just customize the basic settings. For example, left click on the OpenShell menu, shift click everything if you want. I'm gonna choose everything to be in the OpenShell menu. I'm gonna click on OK. Yes. And I have myself a Windows 7 like start menu, which is great. Oh. Now let's just do this. I'm gonna turn off all of these things because Windows 7 did not have, and go under taskbar behaviors and just choose it to the left side. And now what we can do is disable this thing. Now what we can do in here is install Start 11. This is for some tweaks for the taskbar and the start. I'm just going to install all of this. I'm going to just tweak the taskbar to be more Windows 7 like, and what am I going to do is just change the start button using it. Alright, so once we are here, we can just choose, for example, the Windows 7 style start menu. First we want to enter part to purchase one or start a 30-day trial. I'm just going to go to 10-minute mail, so I can just begin generate myself some email. I don't want to use mine. Copy that email. Paste it right here, click on continue. Alright, so I'm going to open up the email and just activate this thing. There we go. We can close our browser and just click on finish. So now we can just choose the Start 11 start menu, and here we have like another Windows 7 like start menu. You can choose any of these that you want. I want the Windows 7 style. Choose the taskbar to left aligned, and now we have like a lot of options in here, which is like I love this. And now I'm going to change the start button And now I'm going to just extract the start button. Extract. And now I'm going to click on. And now this thing changed to the start 11 one. And I'm going to pick image. So I can use my image in here. So I'm going to open up my folder. And I'm going to choose the medium because it's more for this taskbar. And look, this is great. We have changed the start button. Activate the 30-day trial. And we have animations as well. In reality, we don't need OpenShell anymore. We can also change some tweaks to the taskbar. Now I'm going to let this thing on. Yes. And I'll choose. For example, we have always, sometimes, whenever I want. And now I'm going to just taskbar transparency to like 0 to make it more arrow-like. This is more like the arrow theme. Unfortunately, I just couldn't get the arrow theme applied to this. I'm very sorry for that. Now we don't need start 11 anymore. Now, another thing that we can do is change the wallpaper, which we're going to just extract the wallpaper. And now we can just open these up and just open up Windows and just set this as our desktop background. Cool, I actually like this. It's starting to look more like Windows 7, but to make it a more complete look, we can just change the cursors, like extracting the files. Extract these things. Open the folder. Find the install.inf file, right click it and just click on install. Open. Well, this thing has installed them. I want to just open settings. Go to personalization. Go to themes. And now we're gonna change the cursor here to the Windows 7 cursors. Apply. Yes. And we have ourselves an arrow-like cursor. We can change the sounds now. And to do that, we can use default sound schemes and just extract them all. Now, we open the folder, and now we have all these sounds, and now I'm going to change the system sounds. To do that, we're going to personalize again, and now go to themes, go to sounds, and now just choose any of these and just click on browse. You can see this. I'm going to copy this path, and now I'm going to select all the sounds, paste the path over here, and now just going to copy all here. I'm going to replace all these files. Yes, I'm going to copy all files in order to change the sounds. And now I'm interested to see here. Let's see. Now just apply this and okay. Yeah, we have one more thing to do, which is optional, and that is to to get the classic apps, which I'm not going to do it. I'll just do it, but if you want a more detailed video, check this video up in the card that is about how to make Windows 11 look like Windows Vista. More info will run anyway. I'll just do everything myself here. I'm not going to record everything entirely here. Yeah, just look at this. Does it look more like Windows 7 to you? That looks a lot to me, almost identical. Just the icons that are not the same, which is actually kind of unfortunate. But yeah, let me know if you like this thing and if you try it or not, and if you want this same for Windows XP, let me know in the comments down below as well. And yeah, that was all for today's video. If this helped you, make sure you have liked this video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.